Welcome children, come we see the second chapter, safety and first aid. Okay, safety and first aid. In this chapter we are going to learn about safety measures at different places. Okay, first aid for different situations. Okay, so that means what are all the safety measures at different places and what are all the first aid we should give for different situations. That thing we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, come we will see about that. Okay. Accidents can happen anywhere, anytime. That is why we call it as accidents. Okay. It can happen anytime, anywhere it will happen. Okay. Accidents mostly occur when people are careless. That means when people are careless, accidents occur. Okay. We must follow some safety rules for our own safety and also for the safety of others. Okay. So, we should follow some safety rules. Okay. Someone may get hurt because of our carelessness. So, it is important that we should be careful at all times. Okay. Understood children? What? Accidents can happen at any time. Okay. Any place, anytime, anywhere it may happen. Okay. It can happen anytime, anywhere. But it mostly occur when people are careless. If you are careless, accidents may occur. Okay. So, for that, to avoid that, we should follow some safety rules for even for our own safety and for our other people also. If we are if you follow the safety rules, other will also they will also become safe. Okay. So, someone may get hurt because of our carelessness. Okay. So, that we should follow some safety rules. Come we will see what safety rules we will take. Okay. We will take at where. Okay. Come we will see. If we take our home, at home what are all the safety rules, safety things that we should follow. Okay, safety rules that we should follow. Okay, if you take your home, what are all the safety rules that we should follow? Come we will see that. Okay. At home what are all the safety rules? See here, toys and other things left on the floor may be dangerous. Someone may trip and fall over them. Okay, so that what you should do? You should, after playing, what you should do? Even if you play or your brother or sister play also, you should tell to your brother or sister, come we will take the toys and we will put it in the cotton box and we will keep it in the cupboard. Okay. Come brother, come sister, come we will do that. Otherwise, mom will come and she will trip and fall over them, or dad will come. Okay. So that you will tell like that to your your friends. Or your father or your brother or sister. Okay children. So that you should keep the toys and other things, don't left it on the floor. Okay, it will be very dangerous, it may be dangerous. Okay, yes, if you keep a see here, see the boy, what happened? He kept his leg on the toy car, it has wheels, no, what happened? He tripped and fall over them. So, it will cause injuries to his head and bone will break, no. So, that don't do like that. Okay children. Keep the floors of your house dry, don't spill water. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? Again you will fall. Okay. So, keep the floor dry, don't spill water on it. Okay. Keep the floors of your house dry. Never climb on a table or chair to reach things on higher shelves. Okay, never climb on table or chairs. Use proper ladder for that to take the things which are in higher shelves. Okay, don't use chairs or tables. Lightweight chairs will break. If you use plastic chairs and all, it will break due to your weight. Okay, so don't use some proper ladders and all. You will have no metal ladders. Use that. Okay. Do not play or fly kites on terraces. Do not play or fly kites. Okay. On terraces, what will happen? Okay, due to that thread, no, it will cut the throat of somebody. Okay, cut the hand, okay, like that. So, don't play or fly kites on terraces. Never eat or taste any unknown substance. It may be poisonous. Okay, it may be poisonous. So, don't eat. Never eat unknown things, unknown substances. Okay. Take medicines only in the presence of adults. See the expiry date and all. Okay, okay. You know, medicines will each and everything will have expiry date, manufacturing date in it. Okay, and the dosage also different for different ages. okay, dosage, the medicine dosage. So, all won't take the common medicine. It depends on the age, depends on the weight and all. Okay. So, take medicines in the presence of adults. Okay, children. Electric gadgets are very useful in our daily life, but we must be very careful while handling them. Okay. Never touch electric switches or plugs with wet hands. What? Because water is good conductor of electricity. What will happen? The current will pass into you. That's why you will get shock. Okay. Okay. So, never touch what switches with wet hand. Okay. And do not go near a table fan or heaters. Don't touch heaters and table fans. Okay. What will happen? You will get stuck, your finger or what, it will get stuck in it. Okay. Okay, children, these are all the things, safety rules that you follow at your home. You should tell this after reading this, tell to your sister and brother, younger sister or they, don't tell them, don't spill water on the floor. Okay. Don't eat the unknown things, tell those things. Okay, children. So, these are all the safety rules, that is what, that you take at your home, so that accidents won't, you can avoid accidents. Okay. Accidents are what, mostly occur due to carelessness. Okay. Avoid that. Come, we will see some more safety rules that you should follow in your home. Go to next page. Never touch loose electric wires. See, never touch loose electric wires. If someone gets an electric shock, tell an elder to turn off the main switch immediately. Okay. See, if electric shock occurred to somebody, don't touch him, don't try to touch him. First you switch off the main you know, no. Then, okay, tell an elder to turn off the main switch, or else if you know the main switch, you go and switch it off. That is the first thing, okay, safety rule that you should follow when electric shock occurs. Okay, and you should not touch loose electric wires. Okay, children, these are all the safety rules that you should follow at home. Okay, understood, children? Come, we will see the safety rules that you should follow in the kitchen, that we should follow. Okay, these are all, okay, that we should follow in the kitchen. Okay, stay away from sharp objects like knives and scissors. Okay, stay away from scissors and knives. So, you may think, how can I cut a paper, how can, see, blunt scissors are there for children. Okay, you can use that. Okay, or with the help of adults you can use that knives and scissors. Okay, stay away from the stove, gas cylinder and hot vessels. You should not go near it. Okay, it will be very hot. Don't, and you switch off the stove properly. Okay, don't go near to it. Okay, to the stove, gas cylinder and hot vessels. Okay, take an adult help and you can, whatever you want, you ask your mother or father or who are all the elder in your house, ask them. Okay, they will serve you. Okay, don't touch hot vessels. Never wear nylon cloths in the kitchen because they catch fire easily. Okay, so that you should not what, wear nylon cloths while working in the kitchen. Okay, it can catch fire easily because, okay, do not play with matchboxes. You should not play with matchboxes. Handle things made of glass with care. What happens if they fall and break? Do not pick the pieces yourself. Call an adult quickly. Okay, understood, children? So, do not, okay, handle things made of glasses like glasses, okay, glass plates and all. Handle it with care. Otherwise, it will fall and it will break. Means what will happen if you keep your hand in it? It will hurt your what? Hand. Okay, so handle it with care. Okay, do not play with a ball or other objects in the kitchen. Don't throw a ball in the kitchen. So what will happen? It will fall in the hot liquid, and it will, what will happen? If you see here, if your mother is cooking, if you throw the ball in it, what will happen? The water, the hot, what are all the things inside it hot? It will spill on your mother's face like that. No. So try to avoid inside the kitchen, try to avoid playing near the kitchen. Okay, don't play with a ball or other objects in the kitchen. Okay, so these are all the safety rules that you should follow in the kitchen. Okay, children, so that you can avoid accidents. Okay, so everybody will be very safe if you do, like if you follow the safety rules. Everybody in your family will be very safe. No, so we should follow the safety rules first, so that it will be safety for others also. For the safety of others, Okay, we should follow the safety rules first. Okay, so if you follow these safety rules at your home, you can avoid accidents at your home also. Okay, children.